Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board zip connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad button board zip connector and disconnect the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove the touchpad button board from the adhesive that secures it to the touchpad board. Remove the 5 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad button board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.